There you have it. Oh, that's hot. Beautiful. Sweet potato and aged cheddar muffins. First of all, what I'm going to start with is 3 eggs at room temperature. 1, 2, 3. Give them a quick whisk. Right, next, add the melted butter. Next, we'll add a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. I'm adding quite a bit of salt, so don't be alarmed. A little bit of ground black pepper. Also, what I'm going to add is I'm going to add some beer, a light lager, about 1 cup. Give that a mix. What I've done here is I have peeled and grated some sweet potato, or in New Zealand as we call it, kumara. Right, let's add that in. I don't know if we need it all. So this was 1 medium-sized sweet potato. Actually, yeah, we'll add it all in. It'll be fine. Okay. Give it a bit of a mix. I've grated some aged cheddar. Okay, we'll add, won't add it all because we're going to save a little bit to stick on the top of the muffins. Alright, and it is quite sharp. Alright, mix that up. Okay, next ingredients is I have got about 1 cup of self-raising flour. Now, I don't think I'll need it all, but anyway, let's add half of it. So there's about half a cup. Let's see how it goes. I might just add a little bit more. See how that goes. It's looking okay. So I've got the muffin tins here, and I've got a little bit of rice bran oil in here, which I'm actually going to brush around all the little muffin holes. Let's get our muffin mix into these muffin holes. So there should be enough here for 12, but I'm not being shy. So yeah, I've got 10 muffins. Wow. Okay. I filled them up a little bit too much. Well, that's all right. Okay, lastly, let's put a little bit of that beautiful aged cheddar on top of them. I'll put in the oven for about, well, I'd say about 15 minutes. Should be done. Okay, in the oven they go. Okay, the muffins are done. Okay, so what you got is all the hot is these beautiful muffins. They're still pretty hot. Absolutely beautiful sweet potato, cheddar cheese and beer muffins. So, given the idea, given the recipe, go ahead, make yourself.